important milestone in India's vaccine highway. India administered 1 billion doses of vaccine to its 1.3 billion Indian population. On this episode of Life and Science with Pallav Bagla, we speak to Dr. Vinod Paul, member Niti Aayog and the man who was the face of fighting the COVID-19 pandemic in India.
The vaccine journeys, multiple journeys have been so successful, but I must say that the need for effective drugs is still there. I do believe that the most important drug that we need, an affordable drug that we need, is the one which makes sure that the early disease does not progress to serious disease. Early mild disease does not go here. I plead to the pharmaceutical companies to please take risk, put more money for research and development, see how the game-changing scenarios emerge when you really do hardcore research and development.
The need of the hour is really to have a drug which will be able to control the SARS-CoV-2 virus. This episode of Life and Science with Pallav Bagla comes from the Vijay Chowk, where a new India is unfolding. Keep watching India Science.